What up, boys? We're out here hiking right now. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. We can't find the trail because we forgot to bring some flashlights. So we're using our phones and hopefully our battery doesn't run out. Right?
Yeah, it's pretty dark out here right now, man.
We saw some lights in the distance and they turned off the lights when they saw us. So hopefully it's nothing. All right, keep you guys updated. Hey guys, we found this fire right here and someone left it on. They didn't turn it off before they left. This is really dangerous. Always be responsible for the fires you turn on.
Don't ask for it.
A car, bro?
Oh yeah, you do.
What the fuck? How? Hey guys, we finally got some sunlight out here. We don't have to depend on our phone flashlights. Right?
Yep, the sun came out, bro.
Finally. Bro, we were walking 40 minutes. Yeah, close to 40 minutes just zigzagging. And we couldn't see the trail, so we were just zigzagging. And we didn't walk that much. I mean, we didn't make any advance in our hike.
That's all we walked, right?
Yeah. What up, guys? We made some progress in our hike now. We're climbing a steep hill right now. Yesterday was my leg day, and I'm burned out honestly right now. There's a ball over there.
Yeah, we got to the campsite. We got to the campsite, and we're starting a fire now.
Nice, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Did you learn this in the Marines?
No.
No?
Nah, dude, we can't start fires in the Marines.
Why not, bro?
Because then the enemy is going to see us.
Oh, okay.
And it's going to give away our position.
I see.
So we suffer in the cold and the rain
With no fire?
with no fire.
Bro, I heard Mexican Marines have like a big cookout when they go out in the field.
I heard that too, bro. I heard they have like a big old steak out there. Like they kill cows.
They
in the
kill
wilderness.
cows, yeah, bro. They make like a huge fire pit when they're burning the marijuana. Bro, your fire died out, bro.
Rafa. I'm supposed to put a bunch of little leaves, bro. Dry leaves.
Yeah, bro, stop using the lighter because you're gonna consume
Hold on, bro. I'll start it.
the
Rafa.
gas. So let's just gather a bunch of dry sticks. Right, bro?
Yeah. Bunch of dry sticks. Dry leaves. Dry bush.
Yeah, guys, we're starting to start a fire because I guess last night it was like a little drizzle and everything got wet. Everything's soaked.
Yeah, everything's dry.
Everything's dry right now. This is our attempt number 4, right, bro? I try and start a fire.
Attempt number 1, bruh.
Dude, more like 10.
It's my first attempt.
Oh, yours? Yeah, yeah. Oh, there we go. Nice.
Wait, get more leaves. It's gonna turn off.
Yeah, I just gathered a bunch of leaves.
Oh, I think the small stick's caught on fire.
Nice, bro. You're gonna break my lighter, bro.
Imagine it breaks. Dude, imagine we just like hear and then the rocks.
Oh, these. Wait, hold on. These rocks do pop, don't they?
Oh no! Oh yeah, they do pop though. You're right. But I was talking about an earthquake.
Oh, an earthquake.
Like imagine the earth just starts cracking up, bruh.
Bro, with all this,
Aren't we due for the San Andreas fault?
Yeah.
Earthquake for like 50 years now.
bro,
We're
with,
over 50.
yeah, guys. So we're making a fire. Cause honestly, my brother and I, we just had a fight over whose fault it was that forgot the water in the truck. But we're cool now, and we're gonna filter out some water that we got from Clean Source. We're not gonna show you guys our method because it's a trade secret.
No, we're just gonna boil it. That's all.
We're gonna boil it. Hope for
Hopefully we
the
don't get
best.
sick, bro.
Hope for the best, dude. Dude. Yeah, if anyone finds this phone, we had a great time hiking over here, right, boys?
Yeah.
Yep.
What up, guys? It's like 8:30 right now, and we're eating breakfast. Hell yeah! Our water's still not boiled. Best breakfast ever, right, bro? Chips and the Coke, hot Cheetos and Coke.
Yeah.
Or
I think
bite-
it's beginning to boil.
Is it?
No, it's heating up. It's getting like small bubbles at the bottom.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh,
it
yeah,
is.
it is.
There we go.
Damn, that was pretty quick, bro.
Oh yeah. Survivalist, bro.
We get all sick, bro. We die like a week later.
Dude, I drink this water like a whole day.
Dude, last time mom was drinking from. The last time we came with mom, she drank from the river.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, mom was drinking straight from the river, bro.
She got it with her hand
And she was drinking it.
From right here?
Yeah.
It was like a stream.
It was from a stream similar to this.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Rafa?
Wait, Johnny.
Trying to dry up. 'cause I
Johnny,
was really sweaty.
Dry your back up?
Yeah.
What happened, Ezekiel?
Oh, the water. Still cooling?
I'm sweaty and cold, that's why.
You're sweating cold, bro? You carry the bag, that's why.
always being responsible, picking up after ourselves.
Ah, dude, it's really good, bro.
It is, huh, bro?
Yeah,
Pretty tasty.
yeah, really tasty, bro. With all the onions and tomatoes and the hot pepper you put inside.
I know, bro. Pretty good, bro. All right, so we're done eating now, and we're gonna go explore a little bit because we haven't been up these trails before. So we're gonna go see what's up there. Let's cook it.
Psychedelic mushroom, bro. It looks like it.
My brother found a mushroom.
Oh, there was there.
Yeah, let's eat it, bro.
No, dude, I don't want to die today.
Man, this trail is really narrow, and we're hiking right on the edge of the mountain. Well, kind of. We were at one point, not anymore. But we honestly don't know where this trail leads to. We were planning on turning back, but we said that we already started, so might as well just find out where it ends. The only problem is time. Because we gotta go back. We didn't bring any camping gear or anything, so we'll see what happens. So we were worried that this trail would take us all the way up to nowhere, but now we're going down. We're descending back into the canyon, and hopefully we get to see something nice, because it's been a struggle just walking through all these branches. Place, honestly, not that bad. I guess that hike was actually a pretty good decision. There we go.
Is that gold, brother? Yeah, maybe I will be able to see it clear with the camera.
Hey guys, we finally made it. We took the long way, but we're finally here, so it was completely worth it. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, look. Oh yeah, look at that. Nature. Camera doesn't do it justice. Look at that water. So we're gonna have to go inside the water because there's no way back. Heck no, hell no, we're not gonna return. So we have to go through this lake, river. We're gonna put our phones and wallets inside a sock, inside the boot. And hopefully nothing. Yeah, we can. Yeah. We're gonna do that right now.
Yeah, I almost slipped, bro. Bro, I don't want to jump in, bro. It's so cold.
How we have to? You gotta hurry up. Walk up already.
Bro, it's so cold, bro. Dive in.
Yeah. Man, this water is probably freezing. All right, boys. So we decided to jog. We didn't record that part, but we made it back to the parking area like in 30 minutes, maybe. We jogged, and the reason why we jogged is because we want to get to our favorite restaurant over in this town, and they close early since it's Saturday. So we're trying to get that burrito, right, bros?
Yeah, bro.
Alright guys, we actually made it to parking lot now. Nah, that was a terrible, not a terrible experience, it was a great experience. It was nice. It was beautiful. So, we're gonna go to that store right now, bro, right? And buy those burritos?
Yeah, some burritos.
Hell yeah, man.
Get our wallets out, yeah.
The keys, bro. How do you feel, Ezekiel?
Yeah, my foot hurts, bro.
I know, I bet you, bro. My knees hurting so much too. How do you feel, Rafa?
Feeling good.
Yeah, bro. Ready to eat those burritos, bro?
Feeling good. I'm just a bit tired.
Yeah, dude, I should have.
Ready to eat those burritos, bro? Yeah, me too, bro. You're regretting coming, bro?
Yeah, because my foot was barely healing from the injury.
Oh man, and you feel like you got back to like how it was?
Well, it probably is, yeah.
Alright, bro. Well, we're gonna rest up tomorrow, bro. Alright, guys, so we made it to the store and now we're eating those burritos. Hell yeah. Alright, see you guys in the next adventure, right, Rafa?
Yeah. See you next adventure.